Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I'm definitely still thinking that this wave C scenario is playing out very, very nicely. I think over the coming probably year or so, because this is the monthly time frame, that this is going to make a five-way pattern to the upside for this expanding flat, wave C. I think it will most likely take out these previous highs and probably make its way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I think this wave 5 is the wave 1. I think this is an expanding flat ABC of wave 2. Then I think we got a nice 5 ways up right here for the wave 1 of wave 3. So this is a WXY, so that'd be a 2 of wave 3. I think we're in that wave 3 now, and there definitely will be plenty of pullbacks along the way, but I think this will, at least on the weekly time frame, continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it's very clear that this is most likely a wave 1 and this most likely is a wave 2. So we are currently in a wave 3 subdivision. And I don't really think the wave 3 is over. I mean, we did most recently break the highs on the daily time frame, so a pullback probably is kind of likely. But I think that if anything, it's probably just going to be a little pullback and it's probably just going to keep on trending up because I do believe we are in that wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, really the main structure level is still way down here, which tells me that if we do get one of these subdivision structure breaks, that just tells me that this section of trend is over. Really doesn't even look like that. I mean, I definitely would still be looking for longs. There is no break of structure on the 4 hour. Every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, so I definitely would be trading with the trend and looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up. If the market is going to continue to trend like it has been, then every single pullback is most likely just a correction to the previous wave up. So if this right here is just another correction to the wave up and the market does continue to trend, then this move down most likely is going to just go down to one of these Fibonacci levels. It's going to make a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, and that would be another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Until the market tells us otherwise, I personally think that we should primarily only be looking for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. You definitely don't want to be fighting this wave 3 trend because wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.